Well, I've been in a lot of storms in Nacogdoches. This is the one that I've caught in the most. I got an umbrella and I'm completely drenched because rain's coming from all 360-degree angles. Tarps are blowing around. There was an event going on and people had to run, and pretty much everybody's got drenched, all the vendors and everything. So yeah, and you can sort of see it on the out there, it coming in like a board, but yeah, competed. Well, I've been in Nacogdoches a long time, and I've been through a lot of rainstorms. This was the most intense rainstorm in a short period of time. So within 10 minutes, I'm gonna guess it probably poured down 3 inches of rain, maybe 6, it's hard to tell. But yeah, competed. So you just do it. It's like that.